There are now less than 3 months remaining to the earliest rumored date for the Galaxy S24 Ultra release. Samsung's next anticipated flagship phone is likely coming in January to wage war on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aside from the potentially earlier announcement and release date, we seem to already know a lot about the upcoming device thanks to the wide barrage of leaks and rumors flying around. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a major step in the Galaxy S series evolution going forward. The recent round of rumors all seems to indicate that we might see a slightly earlier announcement for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus for that matter. Most industrial insiders and leakers have their collective gauge fixed on the middle of the January and January 17 in particular as the most likely potential announcement date for Samsung upcoming top flagship. While we initially anticipated an earlier February announcement, a mid-January debut would not be too extraordinary. It perfectly falls into the recent established January to February announcement and release window that most recent Galaxies have enjoyed. In particular, the Galaxy S21 Ultra was announced on January 14, 2021 and released globally on January 29, 2021. An earlier announcement and release would help Samsung gain ground on Apple's iPhone 15 series, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max in particular, which were announced in mid-September 2023. With tons of new features on deck, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is literally and figuratively one hot rival. So now the ball is entirely in Samsung's side of the court. The largest and most feature-rich among Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup will be the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We accept that the phone will inherit the large 6.8-inch display of the Galaxy S23 Ultra as well as its extraordinary 10x periscope camera and the built-in S Pen stylus. The initial rumors reveals that Samsung won't be changing the winning formula with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thus, we expect mostly minor and evolutionary improvements, including but not limited to a faster new chipset, a larger battery, possibly faster charging, as well as much brighter and smoother display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will probably be announced in February 2024 and go on sale shortly after. They remain hopeful that Samsung will find even more ways to make the Galaxy S24 Ultra an exciting phone. Here are the expected changes of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new titanium design might be exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The phone will likely feature the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip exclusively around the globe. There are also rumors about Samsung on Exynos chipset making a comeback, but might only grace Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus. Improved new 200 megapixel camera sensor could be making the rounds. New 5.0x telephoto instead of the 10x periscope. Samsung might use a brighter display, elegantly capable of hitting 2500 nits of peak brightness. Up to 16GB RAM might be available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that's for today. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.